Good morning, and thank you for taking the time to watch my video. One of my most exciting professional projects took place while I was working as a manufacturing engineer at Winnebago Industries, a manufacturer of recreational vehicles. The project involved implementing a live digital inventory application for the assembly kitting department. Before the project began, the kitting department relied on paper parts lists to gather components required for assembly packages. Based on the production schedule, the manufacturing planning software generated a parts list for each assembly kit. These lists were printed at the beginning of the shift and assigned to kitting personnel. The employees would then walk through the kitting storage area, collect the listed parts, and deliver the completed kits to the assembly line where they were installed into the RVs. This process created several operational challenges. In many cases, the kitting storage area was not fully stocked with the required parts. When this occurred, the employee assembling the kit would skip the missing component and send a partial kit to the assembly line. This caused production slowdowns because assembly technicians would then spend time searching for the missing parts at the assembly line. It also created quality issues, as technicians would sometimes install the available components but leave missing items to be added later through a rework process. In some cases, the missing components were critical to the subassembly, preventing technicians from installing the entire assembly and creating significant rework downstream. To address these issues, I developed a digital inventory application for the kitting department using Microsoft Power Apps. The application created a live inventory system for the kitting area and replaced the paper pick lists with digital lists displayed on tablets. As employees collected parts for a kit, they marked them off directly in the application. Moving to a digital system enabled real-time inventory tracking. The application also generated automatic notifications to the kitting department manager when inventory levels for specific parts dropped below predefined thresholds. This provided full visibility into inventory levels throughout the day, rather than only at the beginning of the shift. With this improved visibility, the manager could proactively request restocking before parts ran out. As a result, kitting personnel were consistently able to retrieve the parts they needed and deliver complete kits to the assembly line. This significantly reduced assembly bottlenecks caused by missing components and improved overall production efficiency. Product quality also improved because components were installed as planned rather than added later through rework processes that required coordination across multiple departments and sometimes the removal of other components that were installed further down the assembly line. This project demonstrates my ability to identify operational inefficiencies and develop practical, technology-driven solutions that improve both production flow and product quality. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I'd love an opportunity to talk further about this position and my qualifications. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a good one.